Hello, today we are going to go over the setup instructions for setting up a Vulcan admin account. In order to do and set up your account, you can access Vulcan on any computer. In order to get started, the point of contact will receive an email from Mimbus with setup instructions. When you open up the email, you will have a link that you will click on, and then you will log in with a username and password provided in the email. Once this is done, you will have to validate, and a validation link will be sent in a second email. Once that takes place, you will again log in with your username and password. Once you have logged in successfully, you will be on the dashboard, and this dashboard is known as your organization. Once you click on the dashboard tab, you will then go into the results area. This results list gives you the education tab as well as the administration tab. Under the education area, you will find your results, exercises, and learning paths. Under the administration tab, you will find users, classes, and licenses. On another note, you do have buttons up at the top right-hand corner that will take you back to the apps page, which is your dashboard, notifications, if you have notifications from Mimbus or Vulcan, the help page, where you could go and get additional support and help. There are tutorial videos, and your logout from the system itself. So today we have covered the setup instructions in setting up a Vulcan admin account. Thank you.